Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Macan. The Porsche Macan is built for an intensive life in which the thirst for experience and thrills are ever present. It comes with a tremendously dynamic performance, luxurious interiors, and amazing safety features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, driver airbag, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, anti-theft security system, center armrest, premium sound. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.